Hello and welcome again to class. Thank you so much for staying tuned. It's good that you're here. Now we're continuing solving questions on logarithmic expression, and we have two very tricky ones. Now I've called them tricky, and to some people it's easy, and to some it may be difficult. Now that is acknowledging our various strengths in terms of knowledge of mathematics. Now notwithstanding, let's go straight into this. Now we've been solving questions on logarithmic equations. We've done other questions. You wanted to go into the previous videos, watch and see how we've gone through some of these things. Now one of our strengths is we take things gradually, we take the steps so you get to see and to know how these things are done. Maths is about following principles, yes, and also solving more questions. Please like, please follow and subscribe and share also. Thank you so much. Now let's go straight. Now what we have is two questions. We have one here, one here. The question is, express y in terms of x. Express y in terms of x. Now notice in mathematics you may use any alphabet. So more often than not, x and y is being used. X and y, it could be z, it could be u, it could be I, it could be f, it could be b. So express y in terms of x. Now what this means is this. In our local parlance it is make y subject to the formula. You see a formula you know and it's put there. They say make y subject of the formula. For example, if I have something like 3y plus 2x is equals to 2, they say make y subject of the formula. So you know how to go about it, you solve it. It's the same thing. Make y subject of the formula. This is a very touch way of putting it. Express y in terms of x is the same thing. Now let's go straight. Let's pick it one by one. The first question, solution, question number 1. This is log 3 of y minus 1 is equals to x. One thing you do when you're doing subject formula is your target. What's the target? Y. We want it so that at the end of the day it's going to be y is equals to dash 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 dash. Y is equals to this. So if they have any question, they say make this alphabet subject to the formula or express this in terms of this. We want it to be that this is equals to this. So we want this one to be in such a way that it's going to be y is equals to this. Okay, so what do? We identify those numbers and operational signs that are disturbing y from standing alone. Once you follow principles, you will get the answer. Now, one of the reasons why I like changing of subject formula or expressing one variable in terms of the other is this. It helps you combine different mathematical principles and laws. I know this law, I'm apply this. You will think, it's very interesting. Now what do we do? This is logarithm. Once logarithm is there, it means that you're going to do something logarithmic. Always don't forget the definition of logarithm, which is the log of a number to a particular base is the number of times the base will be raised. The base will be raised. The base is a, it's now raised to the power y to give that number b. In other words, it is expressing this log form to exponential form. So what you have here is the log form, and this is what? The exponential form. So you express the log form and turn it to the exponential form.